Hi, next class is plants adaptation to environmental stresses. To be honest, we will not perform any full experiment today because we got information that you are going to be back soon. Last 2 hour meetings, so maybe even next week, next 2 weeks from now, we don't know. That will be the day that we will meet on those classes for the first time face to face. And the last classes, they also will be given in a traditional way. So
Probably.
today, most probably. So today we will not ever perform the experiment. We just prepare things for you that should be ready for the next meeting. As you can see, we did several things. The before last classes, the part of before last classes, they will be about germination of seeds. For our classes, we selected two crops, common crops. One is tomato, and another one is radish. Seeds are taken directly from Leclerc, ready to be used by any grower likes to have those vegetables at home. We have petri dishes which are ready for you. On the bottom of a petri dish you can see bibula paper, just to take and keep solutions we will be preparing in next steps. And in every petri dish you will find 10 seeds of both species, so 10 seeds of radish, 10 seeds of tomato. What we will do, we will expose those seeds to two stresses, very simple ones. One is salinity stress. We just weight the salt. The concentration we're choosing for you is 2, 4 and 8 grams per liter.
It's normal salt or the icing?
No, I will show. This is the icing salt. We still want to be close to urban environmental problems. So this is not a salt you use in your kitchens. This is the icing salt. So the salts the plants are experiencing in roads neighborhood. This is not 2 grams. That's 0.5 gram, fourth time less, because we will do 250 mLs of the solution. That's why also the weights are reduced. So this is the first stress. And another stress that you will evaluate next classes is allelopathy. You had part of the classes about allelopathy with Dr. Marta and Dr. Mariola on your herbology classes. For horticulture students, you didn't perform any practical experiments. Plants from students from ochrona zdrowia roślin, plants protection, plant health, they do have this kind of experiments, but a bit different. As a source of our allelopathic compounds, we will use dry and then grinded bird's veg. That's a common plant, Wyka ptasia.
2004.
That's a common Vicia graca, I think.
Vicia.
That's a common plant that is used in this kind of experiment. The vintage of this one is 2004, pretty old, 16 years old. But for this kind of experiment, time I think increases the effect of the allelopathic compounds. Here we're choosing also free concentration. The lowest is 2.5, the highest is 10, and in between you have 5. How we will prepare those solutions? So a day before classes, a week and a day, so 8 days before your classes, when we will finally get a clear message from our authorities that the classes are, that you are back on the campus. 8 days before, we will pour over this solution 200 mLs of distilled water. The weight is double, so the concentration should be 2.5, but because we need a bit more than 100 ml of solution, we will mix 200 ml and 5 grams of the Bell's wedge dry material. This will stay overnight for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we will pour it over those very simple filters, just a simple cotton material, very nice for this kind of work. And over the plants, we will, or the seeds, we will pour clean liquid, so without any plant remainings. Then for a 1 week, plant will be kept in a growing chamber, optimal condition, the humidity around 75%, temperature about 22-24, and photoperiod 12-12, I guess. Maybe the beginning they will be kept in darkness. We would like solutions to induce to stimulate the germination, and then when we will see first plants, we will move them to light. Your work will be to count plants or seedlings that germinated, and also you will measure the length of the green part, hypocotyl, and the roots, so the above ground, the below ground parts, and you will do also very simple calculations. This experiment has two goals. One goal is to present those two stresses, of course, salinity and allelopathy, and how they affect germination. That is one goal. But for us, the most important goal, the more important goal, we have just two goals, so more important goal is to involve you in a discussion. So be ready that when we will meet, you will not only evaluate the results, but you will also explain the results, and we will ask each group of students, of you, to participate in a discussion. So this is also the reason why we wanted to have a traditional classes. We strongly believe that education has to be, at least most of the education has to be given face to face, because this allows to increase your speaking, but also discussion abilities. This also will help you to learn how to evaluate the results, how to look for answer for the questions you will raise when you will see results. So this is just a preparation. As you can guess, this takes a little bit more than 5 minutes. Just counting the seeds took about an hour for us, and not only for us, fortunately. So I think that's all. Tomorrow or today, because you will see this video today, the next day you will see
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Yeah, that's easier. You will see. You will get also two presentations. I will give a short presentation about allelopathy, and then Robert will give presentation about photosynthesis. Robert will explain you most of the things tomorrow about that photosynthetic apparatus, but be aware that this is just a theoretical part. Practical part will be done when you will be back. We will go to greenhouse, we'll use plants, we plant it for you, and we will do measurements with you, and also you will evaluate the results with us. I think that's all. So see you hopefully tomorrow online, and in 2 weeks time
In future.
in this room.
Yes.
Bye.